Okay, so before we get started with this video, guys, I want to give a huge shout out to FeedSpot. They recently awarded my YouTube channel an award, top 20 day trading channels on the planet. If you go to the article, I'll post the link in the description so you can check this out if you like. They rated the top 20 day trading YouTubers in the world based on criteria such as subscribers, video views, video uploads, quality and consistency of videos, YouTube search ranking, which are all things that I focus on making sure are up to par, which is why I'm so proud of this award. You scroll down here, see some of the people I'm in competition with that have been doing this for probably decades. Scroll all the way down to number 14 and you find Day Trading Forex with Jarrell Coleman. So I really appreciate this, guys. Thanks a lot. And hopefully you guys will continue to enjoy the content that I roll out. So this video was requested by one of my YouTube subscribers, Mr. Cornelius Israel. He asked me to shoot a video showing how to do pending orders, buy stop, buy limit, sell stop, sell limit for the Android device on MT4 mobile. So this video is for you. Appreciate you subscribing. If anybody watching has any questions or you have a subject you'd like me to shoot a video on, just leave it in the comments. I'll knock it out for you. So here we got my Android device. I'm in the MetaTrader 4 app. I'm going to hit the new order button right here at the top on the right hand side. And when you get to the order screen, by default you're going to be set up to make a market execution trade. That means that the trade is going to go through as soon as you hit the buy or sell button. Now you access your pending orders by simply tapping here on market execution and selecting one of the pending orders that you want to place. Now you have to understand how these orders work in order to place your entry price. Sorry for the brief interruption there. So like I was saying, you have to make sure your stop loss, entry price, and target profit are all in the right place for each order, or it's going to tell you you're making an invalid order. And what that means, for instance, if I select buy limit, so the difference between a limit order and a stop order is stop orders continue going in the same direction they were already going. So it's a continuation order. A limit order is going to change directions. So if I'm placing a buy limit order, that means that the price is first gonna go down to the entry price from the current price and then go back up towards the target profit. So GBP USD is currently 1.30572 for the X. If I want to place a buy limit, the price has to be below 1.3059. So $130.55 for instance. My stop loss, because this is a buy order, has to be below the entry price. So this has to be even lower than 130.55. I mean 1.3055. So 1.3050. And then once again, because this is a buy order, the target profit has to be above my entry price. So 1.30, sorry, come on, need my case back. 1.3060. So now my target profit is placed 5 pips above the entry price, My stop loss is placed 5 pips below the entry price, and my entry price is placed below the current price. This is the correct way to enter a buy limit order. Now, if for any reason these numbers are not correct, if the target profit is below the price, stop loss is above the price, or the entry price is above the current price, because this is a buy limit order, I'm going to show you what happens. So let's say I were to put my entry at 130.65, which is above the current price. Now you see my place button isn't even lit up, so I can't touch that. I believe on the Apple version, I'll still be ordered to hit the place button, but it's gonna say I'm entering an invalid order. So now you'll see that all I need to do is make this below the entry price, and now I can place that trade. It's highlighted. I'm not gonna play, well actually I could, it's not gonna activate. But then I'll delete it. So, back to the order screen. This time let's do a sell limit, which means that the price is going to go up first and then down because it's changing directions. So the current ask price is 1.3056. That means my entry price would need to be above the current price. So now I actually can enter in the 1.3065. Now my entry price is above the current price. The price is going to go up and then come back down for the sell. So because we're in a sell limit, we know, well, because we're in a sell in general, we know that the stop loss has to be above the entry price. So 1.3070, and because it's a sell, our target profit, which is the green line on Android, stop loss is the red line, the green line is the target profit. This is the Android MetaTrader 4 app. So over here on the green line, the take profit for the sell limit order, my target profit needs to be below the current price, the entry price. So 1.3060. Now you can see my entry price is placed above the current price. My stop loss is placed above the entry price, and my target profit is placed below the entry price. Okay. And as you can see, I'm able to place this order. Now, because this is a sell limit, if my price is anywhere below the current price, like 50, not able to place that trade, or I'll get an invalid order if I'm using the computer or an Apple device. So, lastly, set this down here. The stop orders. So stop orders are continuation orders. Buy stop means that the price is going to go up and then continue to go up. So my entry price needs to be above the current price, 3060. My stop loss on the red line, because it's a buy, needs to be below the entry price, so 3055. And then my take profit, because it's a buy, would be above the entry price, 1.3070. So you can see my entry price is above the current price, so is my target profit, because it's a buy. It's above the entry. And then my stop loss is below the entry. And then real quick, obviously the exact opposite of that sell stop order is going to go down and continue to go down. So you're going to set your entry price below the current price, 130.45. It's a sell. It's a sell. So we're going to set up our entry price below the current price. Sell stop. It's going to go down, keep going down. Stop loss, red line, this is going to be placed above the entry price because it's a stop loss. So we can leave that 13055. And the green line, the take profit, is going to be below the entry price because it's a sell. So we're going to move this down to 130.35. So now my target profit is 10 pips below the entry because it's a sell. My target profit is 10 pips above the entry because it's a sell. And my entry price is entered below the current price because it's a sell stop. So if you have any questions at all on how all of that works with the pending orders, feel free to leave comments below. Appreciate you guys taking out this video. And shout out to the YouTube subscriber who requested me to record this video. Appreciate your feedback.